Oh my gosh, I lost my thing. There we go. Let's start it. Let's get started. Hello my lovelies, and welcome to my channel. So today I actually have a really exciting video, or at least I'm super excited to be doing this video. Okay, so this is actually a super exciting video because it's an open box video, and I know I've done this one before, but this one's even more exciting because I don't know what the heck I'm getting. As you guys know, Beautylish does a lucky bag. I think they call it a lucky bag every year this year. I actually ordered one. This is my first time ordering one, and it came in the mail today. I can't wait. I cannot wait to open this box. It came in the mail. I'm so excited. So let's get started. Guys, oh my gosh. This is what it looks like. It's so pretty. It's so pretty! Oh my gosh, I'm stupid excited. I'm stupid excited. It's so incredibly cute. Okay, so in case you guys didn't know, the history behind lucky bags is they are a way to celebrate the new year in Japan. One day I do want to go to Japan just so I can experience the culture and the people and the food and the makeup and the shopping. But mostly the culture for myself. But for now, this is just kind of my little way of dabbling into the Japanese culture, and of course it's makeup, so I'm gonna be super happy and excited. Anyway, if you didn't know, Beautylish is actually an amazing company. They shipped this out on Thursday, like Thursday evening, late at night. I got like a text message saying, hey, your item is shipped at like 9 p.m. Thursday, and it is currently Saturday, and I got it at 7. So their shipping is fantastically fast. So that's not why you guys are here, but I just wanted to throw a little tidbit out. I wanted to say thank you to Beautylish for being such an awesome company. It's really difficult to find them, so you always want to throw out thanks when you do. Alright, so let's get started. Oh my gosh, okay. If you are watching this video, I'm assuming that this is not the first open boxing for these bags that you have seen, so I'm not going to read the card. That's going to be my little pleasure for later. But it's super cute. I mean, just look at this effing card. They are adorable! Anyway, to this side. Alright, so first I'm going to go with what's kind of sitting here right here on top. It is the Scandinavia Makeup Finishing Spray. This actually looks like their oil-free, their standard one. I am so extremely happy because I just ran out of my Urban Decay setting spray, and I was like, I'm going on a no-buy, so I don't want to have to buy this, and bleh. So this is perfect. Thank you so much, Beautylish. You read my mind. Alright, let's keep going. By the way, did I mention that this is the medium to dark, or medium to deep, or whatever? They had shade ranges for the boxes this year, and I got the deep one. Alright, next up that I can see, we have the Ordinary. This is a caffeine solution. What are you called though? It reduces the appearance of eye contour, pigmentation, and puffiness. Okay. This is actually also perfect. It does seem to be an eye solution, which is perfect because I've actually been dealing with my eyes just looking super tired. I even said that this morning. I just look super tired, and puffiness is something that runs in my family specifically. We don't so much deal with darkness. That is a thing, but mostly my family, we deal with puffiness. So this is perfect. Thank you again, Beautylish, for reading my mind. I'm so super excited, if you guys couldn't tell. I can't wait to try this out. Maybe there'll even be a review. Ooh. Who knows? Alright, let's keep going. Stupid excited. Okay, I see a thingy. Alright, up next we have a brush shampoo. This is from the, I don't know, Clean Apple there. Whatever, it's this. We have a brush shampoo. It is in the scent Grapefruit. Luckily for them, I like grapefruit. So let's give it a whiff. Ooh, that smells delightful. Ooh, what an interesting texture. Anyway, I'm actually super excited to try this out too, seeing as I really need to clean my brushes. It would be shameful for me to show you how dirty my brushes are. But thank you, Beautylish. Okay, let's keep going. Unwrap. Ooh! We got a Wayne Goss brush, you guys! And not just like a really dumb one that I would never use. I've always wanted to use or buy one of his brushes, but at the time that they came out, they were a little out of my budget, so I'm super excited to be getting this. And even better is the fact that it is a fan brush, the number 15, so I'm uber excited and I can't wait to use this. You guys, oh, I'm stupid excited again. I'm not gonna lie, I had been kind of sneak peeking a few of the lucky bags, and a few people have gotten the Anastasia Prism palette in theirs, and I was kind of nervous that they would give that to me because I already have it, so I was really hoping that I didn't get any dupes, and thankfully they answered my prayers. I got a glow kit, you guys! I don't have any of their glow kits. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. And it's not just any glow kit that, you know, I just can't use. It's the, which one is this? Sun Dipped Glow Kit. I was actually looking at this already and I'm going to open it now. Key. You guys, I can wear all of these shades. We're swatching because I'm excited. I've never ever gotten any of their glow kits. It's mostly just because I just didn't get into the hype. There would always be one or two shades that I just wouldn't be able to wear, so I just didn't bother. Why? Anywho, so I'm super excited. Not only do I have an Anastasia glow kit for me to try with a Wayne Goss brush for me to try it with, but I can wear all of the shades. I'm so excited, you guys. Okay, swatchy swatch. Swatchy swatch. Swatchy swatch. I'm not giving this away. This is mine. This is mine forever. Alright, swatchy swatch. Alright. 1. Oh my gosh. 2. Oh my gosh. 3. Oh my gosh. Oh, snap. This was the dumbest swatching I could ever do, but ooh. These two are like kind of taupey colors on me. This one is more of a pinky shade on my personal skin tone. It reflects more pink than anything. But this one, you guys, oh, I can't wait for the summer because that's gonna be gorgeous. Just look at that. Oh my gosh. Anyway, we must continue. I can't wait to review this. I cannot. I'm so excited. Okay, last product, you guys. Let's hurry before my camera decides that it feels like hating me. You guys, they are so generous. Look what they gave me. I say it like it was a gift. It wasn't. I paid for this, but whatever. Anyway, I got the Charlotte Tilbury Instant Look in a Palette. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my gosh. But Charlotte Tilbury, I'm not gonna lie, Charlotte Tilbury is kind of, and Tom Ford, those are those brands that I'm just like, I'm gonna stay in my lane and not even just, Natasha Denona is another one. I'm gonna stay in my lane and not even mess with y'all. Y'all can be bougie on up there in the tiers of makeup realm moneyness. No. Anywho, okay, you guys, this packaging is so luxurious. Look at it. Look at it. Isn't it gorgeous? I'm trying so hard not to blind you guys, but look at it. Ooh. In fact, I think this is the most recent one that they came out with. I'm not gonna lie, these colors make me nervous. Let's not look at my... These colors kind of make me nervous because they don't look like they're deep enough to do a darn thing on my skin tone, but we'll see. We'll see. This may be a review that you see later on my channel. Stay tuned, which means you need to subscribe, otherwise you're not gonna know now, are you? Things to contemplate. Or not, just hit that subscribe button. It's red, it's bright red, it's down there. Go ahead. I'll wait. Did you do it? Okay, great. Alright, you guys, I'm not gonna lie. This was so much fun and so worth it. Oh my goodness, I need to calculate how much this all ends up being. But just to recap, I got the Skindinavia. Wow, can't even talk. I got the Skindinavia makeup setting spray. I got the Ordinary eye cream, which both things I absolutely need. I got the brush cleaner, which again I absolutely need. I also need to become a freaking octopus because this is just ridiculous. How do we do this? I don't know. Anyway, I got the thing that I'm dropping. I got the Wayne Goss fan brush. It's number 15. I also got the Anastagia glow kit with colors that I can use. Oh my goodness. And then of course the quote-unquote highlight for me. Still kind of iffy because, you know, colors and everything. But it is the Charlotte Tilbury look in a box. Oh my goodness, you guys. This is so worth it. So worth it. So glad I did this. Oh my gosh. 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 So guess what, you guys are gonna see definitely some videos on these products right here. But if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. Again, subscribe so you know when I post another video, which I will. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please comment down below and let me know. And make sure to share this video with your friends, your family, or anyone else who you might like. And until next time, stay lovely, you guys. Bye.